Alright, vlog world, it is the main Iceland on the trip. We're heading out to Key West right now to go take care of the room and then head back down to Miami. It's about a 3-hour drive. And I just got some Jamaican food from the store. It was pretty good. Cream soda, Jamaican cream soda. I've never drunk this in forever. We're just getting some gas right now.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Just got to the hotel after so long. What's going on, man? So we just booked the room. We're about to chill for a minute, probably take an hour nap and head back down to Miami because it was like a 3-hour trip here. It was real crazy, but it's lit and it's worth it. You feel me? So yeah. We are about to see what the room looks like. So hopefully it's pretty epic. Right.
I just drove 3 hours. It better be sweet.
He tired, vlog bro. He tired.
Yeah, I feel like I just drove to Ohio.
And then we gotta head back down to Miami in a little bit. Oh yeah, the room tour, bathroom. Pretty small, nice, compact. Oh yeah. You already know. I got the bed next to the window. Oh, right by the pool. Hey. So this trip has been a really awesome trip so far. Key, just got the key. It's a nice looking key. But this trip has been, really amazing so far. The drive here was epic. And it's really the first time that any of us has been so far away from home and did so much far away from home by ourselves. So it just, it just make us feel like we're really grown. Yeah, our parents didn't even give us $1 towards this trip. We did this on our own, stepped out. So hopefully we start, traveling more. The next thing that I want us to do is go to Jamaica.
Give me $1. You see, mommy, next time, $200 you will give me when we go somewhere.
And Alante was trying to talk Pato. He's not Jamaican, guys. He's American. I'm the Jamaican one. But yeah.
Me Jamaican too.
Alright, so I just left out the room because I'm doing it for the vlog. So we go see what's going on, guys. Show you guys around real quick. Alright, vlog world. So we out here just chilling, doing it for the vlog. Chilling in Florida Keys. We out here on the water right now. We're about to head to Miami in a minute. Turn up. Alright, vlog world. So we came all the way out here by the lighthouse. It's windy as heck, so I don't know how the sound quality is gonna be sounding right now. But it's still pretty epic views out here. It's insane. I don't even know how to describe it. I mean, look at this. What are you doing, B? What are you doing, B? Alright, we about to head back to Miami to go to runway. Looking stylish, you feel me? Looking like Kanye out there.
I look the best. I don't know what you're saying. I look the best. Look at me, bro. Look at me. Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
Nigga, what up, dog?
What?
Real man.
Wicked man thing.
Just don't want a t-shirt.
I moved the car, it's to the left. So it's quicker to access. It's to the left and out the door.